Hi, I'm Chef Ben Palmer and I'm from the Old Sardine Factory Restaurant in Looe. Today we're at Hannaford Beach, which is in southeast Cornwall, and we're with the Looe Marine Conservation Group. I'm going to show you how to make a natural biodegradable product that won't hurt marine life. We take the sole ingredient, which is seaweed, which is then turned into agar powder. Agar powder is widely used all over the world today in lots of different kitchens. Hi and welcome to the Sardine Factory Restaurant kitchen. Now we're going to be making a seaweed jelly. So we take a heavy base saucepan. This is a 3-litre saucepan and we're going to be making 1 litre of jelly. Okay. So we have 1 litre of water. It's very important that you get the quantities correct in order for the jelly to set. Okay. So the saucepan goes on the heat and we add 1 litre of water. To the water, we're going to be adding exactly 12 grams of agar. As I say, guys, it's very important to make sure the quantities are correct in order for this to work. So 12 grams, weighed out exactly. There we go. Go straight into the saucepan with the water, and then we give it a little whisk. When you put the agar into the water will turn a slightly murky, milky colour. But when the water will come to the boil, it will become clear. So the lid goes on, wait for the water to boil. Right, now the jelly mixture has come back up to the boil. It's been boiling for about 2 minutes or so. We can kind of now see it's got a nice kind of translucent colour. That means it's ready. So now we're going to pour the jelly mixture into the container, like so. And then we're ready for the next step. The beauty of this is it doesn't have to go into the fridge to set. It will just set naturally by itself. We suggest making it the night before so it is ready for the next day. Right, as you can see now, guys, the jelly mixture has been left overnight and it's now set, so it's gone nice and firm. And the next stage is to now scoop. The best tip for scooping is we use a good ice cream scoop to create our nice sized nuggets, as so. Right, so there's only one thing left to do now, and that's it for it to be through.